Hi, it's Jackie Othen here with the Othen Group. Today's Toronto Tuesday is all about keeping your little ones safe this Halloween. In just a short few days, the little ones are going to be all over the city running around in their beautiful costumes without much attention or paying mind to what's coming around on the busy streets behind them. So if you're a driver, please slow it down for Halloween. Take your time, leave work early if you're a parent and trying to race home because traffic can be brutal on the 31st. But slow it down. There's little kids that are lurking and often popping out of areas we don't expect them to. The most important thing I can tell you this year I'm putting on my kids is reflective tape. These little bands that are sold at your home hardware stores or Home Depot or Lowe's, they're reflective bands and they can simply be put on the arms or the back of a costume. They won't ruin or spoil the evening, I'm sure of it because I've done it before. Make sure that your kids have these. Another easy tip, these are sold at Dollarama or pretty much anywhere in the city at this time of year. They're glow sticks. They're just snap and break. You want to find something that's non-toxic and also be mindful to keep them away from pets in the household. So if your kids are trick-or-treating like mine are, let's keep the children safe this year. Please share this post with people you love. Make sure you've got lots of time to still slip out and get the reflective tape for your little ones and set them up for success. And if you're a driver out there, guys, please don't text and drive. Focus on the roads, slow it right down on Halloween, and let's keep our kids safe.